What up? Yeah, that's straight. Maya Street, right?
Yeah.
Maya Street, yeah. Taking photos of Diego's car. The view in the back. You got Alex. You got Diego. Got Lil Reese, the helper. I'm about to fly the drone right now. Let's get some shots. The photos are actually already coming out fire. So let's just see what we could do with the drone.
You know, I need to learn exhaust because, as I said, this car is very quiet in the future. But for now, like, I don't really want to do too many here. Just enjoy it for what it is right now.
I didn't even realize. I mean, I did realize the heat, but he got the heat on today.
Yeah.
Something slight, something slight. Got everything going. The car, the kicks,
The Reese.
the Reese. We're just doing some, probably working on like a little feature film. That's why I shot with the drone. What a shot. That is fire. This is a wrap for this location. Oh, it's a wrap for the photos, everything, I think. We're about to go get some burgers. Gotta jump in the conversion over here. Look at my integrity. This thing is crappy clean. Lil Reese. Watch me get a flag, man.
Yes.
So much glass on this ground. Diego's car. We got Diego's car. I'm about to get this car to him too. Not this car, but this car. I can't keep up. I was just giving this car all this got. I'm sure Diego wasn't even trying in the M3. What up? I'm mad.
That one.
Look at this shit.
That one.
Look at these guys, man. Look at that.
That one.
Yeah, 03 E46 M3, and it's the same thing. It's clean. What color is this? What is this? Carbon black? It's nice.
Got 50K miles on it.
Wow.
55 now.
50,000 miles.
Hey, did you follow yourself?
Yeah.
Good for
you should follow
them.
my boy too.
Good for them.
Like, we're all like a part of like a little alley, and like we just need to go out, bro. So like, it's definitely nice to have a guy, guys. I have to change him. I have to change him.
Yeah, I saw some out.
I appreciate it, Malcolm.
Oh shit, you got the carbon sunroof too?
Yeah.
That's
A
sick.
little gift for my guy. I'll be keeping it in there too, you know.
Same car, right? Look at that.
Which I actually prefer. I'm just going with these splitters are way nicer. I know.